welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm very hungry right now, so got me a little snack. ASMR. No, I don't do that. Anyway, please don't let that distract you or gross you. I'm sorry if it does. I'm just really hungry. So, as you can tell by the title of this video, As you can tell by the title of this video, I'm going to be doing a New Year's Eve / New Year get ready with me. As you can see, I'm already glowing. I'm already ready. I am ready for the new year. So I started by, I got a clean face. I put on moisturizer and a little bit of my Mario Badescu spray. And then I also applied a few, like literally 1 drop per cheek from this L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glow Amore. It's glow boosting drops, fancy, in 508. And if you don't have that, then I typically use this. This is Wet n Wild Photo Focus Face Primer, and Dewy Luminix is also a very good glowy primer. I just want to be extra shiny for the new year, because like my future, we're about to be bright out here, okay? Bright. So, also did my eyebrows off camera because that takes up way too much time. So what I'm gonna be starting with is cleaning them up, and I'm just using this mini Makeup Forever Ultra HD foundation, and this is lasting, even though I've been using it up. I just think it's like really my perfect shade, so I'm just gonna use that to go in and carve up these eyebrows. I got different mirrors, so I'm about to be looking crazy, looking every which way. You know, I think it's really funny that some people still to this day don't know that when you clean up your eyebrows, or like doing this step right here, it just changes your whole eyebrow look. And it's crazy. Like I tend to try to do like really good on filling in my brows, so I can do minimal on this part. But some people, you know, they like to just do their eyebrows however, and then clean it up, rely on the concealer. But any way you do it, you cannot go wrong with using concealer or foundation or whatever creamy goodness that you need to clean up your brows, because it just makes you look so snatched, like the best brows in the world. Even if you were already born with the best brows, you can make them look better by cleaning them up. Must be nice to be you if that's you. Okay, so what I'm doing here is moving on to foundation, and of course I have my Fenty Beauty and Fenty primer. This is the soft matte primer. So I'm just gonna take a little bit of that. I think I did like 1 pump or like 1.5 pumps, put it on the back of my hand and just spread it around my face. And I'm taking my Morphe brush, I'm not really sure the number, but I'm blending that out and just, you know, making sure it looks flawless into my skin. Okay. So here I have my NYX HD concealer, and then I'm going to also go over that with LA Girl Pro Concealer as well in the same areas. And then I'm just going to take this Real Techniques blending brush and blend that out. Now I'm taking my Makeup Revolution banana powder, and I'm just going to set those same areas where I put the concealer with the powder. I'm also not really baking, so after I have that on, I'm just going to take this big fluffy brush and wipe it right away. Also, don't mind that I'm speaking, I'm just, talking, but it's not important. So, I'm taking my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, and I'm just putting that all over my face, and just, adding a little bit more depth to my cheeks and jawline. And don't forget to contour your nose and blend it out. So now I'm taking the Fenty concealer in the shade 300 and putting that on my lids as a base for my eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be blending that out. And then I'm going to be moving on to the Naked Heat palette and using the color Cayenne as a transition shade all over my lids, okay? So next, I'm going to be deepening up the outer corner, and I'm going to be using the color En Fuego in the same Naked Heat palette, and just only on the outer corner. Okay, so now we're switching to the sultry. Look at the sparkles. This is really the main point of today. We are going to be getting in to some sparkle. Which one yet? I don't know. I really don't know. Maybe this rose quartz. And then we also have the Juvia's Place, yes. The Warrior by Juvia's, and it's all these goldish sparkles, and I really haven't decided yet if I'm doing gold sparkles or pinkish sparkles or shimmer, whatever you want to call it. I don't know. Should I do a cut crease, y'all, or we'll do a cut crease. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm not really well versed in cut creases, so that's why I had to turn off the camera, but I did pretty good. So okay, so I'm starting with the color Rose Quartz, and it's right there. It's a really pretty pink shimmery color, and I'm going to be placing that all over my lid. I'm taking this flat concealer brush, and I misted it with a little bit of Mario Badescu spray. You could really use water or anything just to get it a little wet so the color will stick to it better. And I'm putting that all over my lid. So what I just did was I did go in and add the Cyborg color, which is that one, to like the inner part here, which is why it looks a little bit brighter. I kept this part the way it was, and then on the outer edges I took this Morphe 350 palette with the this in shade right here, and I just like added that for a little bit extra shimmer. I'm covered in glitter and mess, but good thing I'm washed this outfit when I'm done. So I did that. This is how it looks. And now I'm just going to go in with liner, which is scary because I don't do liner. Also added a little bit of shadow under my eye, but we're gonna do liner and then lashes and lips, and then we're gonna move on to the outfit and the hair. Okay, so I'll be right back. Okay, so now that I have my extra lashes on, I'm going to take some misting spray, this little brush here, and some Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. Look at that. It's reflecting as much as the doggone mirror. So now I'm just taking this NYX lip pencil in the color Rose Brown, and I'm lining my lips, and I'm going to fill them in slightly. When I line my lips, I sometimes overline them just a tad because it makes it look more voluminous and full. And then I'm going to take my Fenty lip gloss. I love this stuff. Like, I barely use it, but it's super amazing. Like, look at it. Gorgeous. So I typically use matte lip, but since I'm trying to be shiny out here, you know, we gotta use a lip gloss. So then I'm taking Victoria's Secret lip gloss and I'm putting that in the middle just to give it a little extra something. Now moving on to my hair, I'm just doing a simple half up, half down with it to slightly to the side. Nothing too fancy. I just wanted to have the hair out of my face so that way I can showcase these edges. And then I'm gonna put on my outfit and show you guys the finished look. So stay tuned. So this is the finished look, everyone. I got this dress from Fashion Nova. Yes, it is very revealing, but you know, it's New Year's. I'm trying to look cute. I'm trying to be popping. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing. And these earrings are from the beauty supply store, girl. They're just so big and sparkly. Like, I love this whole look. I feel like if I had more jewels, I would, you know, obviously put them here. But I also kind of like that it's just not, it's like a little bit of jewels showing. You know, I don't want it to be like over the top, because I'm already over the top, you know what I mean? But yeah, so thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a big thumbs up to this video. And also, if you want to see my next video, which will be about a vision board 2020, all our goals, everything that we're going to accomplish, also leave a comment and a like down below. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you want to see more content from me. If you want to see me slay all day, then go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys so much again for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.